Hi there! In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how you can create a ticketing system inside Hive. What do I mean by a ticketing system? And the systems allows you to manage those, so you can route them to appropriate team members, you can escalate tickets, or you can notify users automatically depending on the status of your tickets. I'm going to use Hive to manage tickets and use Hive Automate to create all these workflows for organizing and managing tickets. Specifically today, I'm going to show you how you can automate notifications. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to submit a new ticket. I'm going to submit this, and this will pop up in the form submissions project as an action card. Now I have this new ticket or new request in my project. I'm going to update the status of this card as in progress. We'll send an email notification to the end user. There you go. Hey, your request is in progress. Now, let's imagine this ticket was solved or the content was delivered. I'm going to update this status as completed. And again, a new notification will be sent to the end user. Boom, there you go. Hi there, I'm Andres. I work at Connex, and we are an automations and integrations agency. We are official Hive partners, and now I'm going to show you how I've built this recipe to automate this notification system. You can create this same system yourself using Hive Automate. If you need help automating these workflows and implementing this recipe, please reach out. We're more than happy to help you. Check in the description below for a couple of links. The first one is to book a free discovery call with us. We use these calls to talk about your automation project and give you an estimate of the amount of work it will require to bring this to life. And then check for the second link where I will post this video with more resources so you can automate this by yourself. Now I'm going to show you the recipe we've built in Hive Automate. If you're new to Hive Automate, follow the link in the description below to our blog post. I'm going to include there soon a one-to-one guide to Hive Automate. Hive Automate is based on Workato, which is an iPaaS that allows you to bring data from point A to B to C to D. Hive Automate is an event-based automation platform and is based on triggers and actions. So at high level, this recipe triggers off of an updated action in Hive. Then it gets details of the user that submitted this form and then checks the status. If it's in progress, it will send a specific email. If it's completed, it will send another templated message. Going into the trigger in more detail, I'm triggering this off of the action object inside the form submission project. I'm triggering only on updated actions, and I'm monitoring only changes to the status. Then this action is to get the specifics of the user. Specifically, we are looking for the email address and the name. So we can use all these variables later on. This is an if then else statement. So we're checking if the status equals in progress. And then we're using the send email via Workato to send this email. Here we input the email address. So this is dynamic and it depends on the action who submitted the form, and it will send this message. The same with the rest of the workflow. And this is the message for the completed status. And that's it. This is how you build a ticketing system for your Hive projects. And this allows you to create a ticketing system inside Hive. Now, a couple of things worth mentioning is that this is pretty customizable. So for example, if you want the message to have your brand and your name, we can use your Gmail account or your Outlook account for sending emails. So they show up as being sent by yourself with your email, your domain, and the reply to your email address. Also, you can customize the message to include more variables. Finally, this specific example was for a form for internal use, but we can have recipes handle external requests as well. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a more specific use case. And again, if you need help implementing this, we're more than happy to help you. Book a free discovery call using the link below. Stay tuned for the next video on this series. Cheers!